Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, xy plus 2z in parentheses squared, xy corresponds to the a in the formula, and 2z corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial, 7z minus xy in parentheses squared, 7z corresponds to the a in the formula, and xy corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each square, this expression equals to xy in parentheses squared plus 2 times xy multiplied by 2z plus 2z in parentheses squared plus 7z in parentheses squared minus 2 times 7z multiplied by xy plus xy in parentheses squared. When I apply the rules of exponents and simplify further, I get x squared y squared plus 4 times xyz plus 4z squared plus 49z squared minus 14xyz plus x squared y squared. As a next step, I need to add all like terms that have the same literal parts. Such terms are x squared and y squared and x squared y squared, 4xyz and negative 14xyz, and 4z squared and 49z squared. When I add these pairs of like terms, I get 2x squared y squared minus 10xyz plus 53z squared. Next exercise. Simplify the expression. In the first binomial 4n minus 3m in parentheses squared, 4n corresponds to the a in the formula, and 3m corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial, 9m plus 6n in parentheses squared, 9m corresponds to the a in the formula, and 6n corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, I get 4n in parentheses squared minus 2 times 4n multiplied by 3m plus 3m in parentheses squared minus 9m in parentheses squared plus 2 times 9m multiplied by 6n plus 6n in parentheses squared. I put this expression in square parentheses because the negative sign in front of it applies to each term within the square parentheses. When I apply the rules of exponents and simplify further, I get 16n squared minus 8 times 3, 24mn plus 9m squared minus, now I have to apply the negative sign to each term and this way flip its sign. So I get minus 81m squared minus 18 times 6 is 108 mn minus 36n squared. As a next step, I need to add all like terms. All like terms are 9m squared and 81m squared. I have also negative 24mn and negative 108mn. And lastly, I have 16n squared and negative 36n squared. So when I add these pairs of like terms, I get minus 72m squared minus 132mn minus 20n squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.